Okay, we've got 2 rashers of unsmoked back bacon. I'm going to microwave them. Okay, so I might put a cover on this, but I won't this time. So I'm going to put them in for about, well, let's see how 4 minutes goes. Full power. I stopped it at about 2 minutes. Just going to turn them over. Put them back in. This was 4 minutes, you can put it in for a bit longer. There we go. I don't like it too well done, but you can see that it has actually cooked it. You could have it crispier than this, it will go crispier, just put it for longer. I microwave the bacon and eggs for speed in the mornings. And that's it.